G'day and welcome to another video with BetterPix. Hope this finds you all well. Today's video is looking at how to create a drop shadow with text in Photoshop. It's a very simple process using layer styles and one that can certainly enhance the view and the look of your text within any photographs or designs. So as you can see here, we've got an aerial photograph of the ocean down in northern New South Wales, and we've got some text that we've put in there as ocean views. You can see up here on our layers, we have the background, which is the image, and then the text layer, which is ocean views. If we double click on the text, keeping in mind that we have to be very specific where we double click, you can see that we have the layer style up here. What I'm going to do is just show you very quickly. If we double click on the actual text, you can see that it allows us to update the text. And if we double click on the text icon to the left, it highlights all of the text and you can update the text in that way as well. So it's very important to just make sure that you do double click on that space just to the right of where the text is within your layers. So I'll just double click on that again, and here we have layer style. And what we want to do is go down to drop shadow, which is right there at the bottom. All right, so what we're going to do is firstly look at the color, and you can see if we click on that color, we have a color option available. To select on the normal color picker tab, we're just going to hit OK because we're going to stick with black. And the first thing we're going to do is just adjust the distance and the size and also the spread. And you can see immediately that shadow becomes more obvious. We've also got an angle option here as well. If we click and drag, we can see that we can change the angle of the shadow, and we can also change the opacity so that it's darker or lighter. Obviously, the darker you go, the stronger the shadow will become. What you can also do while this dialog box is open is you can actually click on the image and drag the shadow around. And you can see as I do that, the distance and angle is adjusted. So that's a great way if you just want to very quickly click and drag that shadow just to experiment with what angle works best. All right, so that is a very quick tutorial on how to create a drop shadow on any of your text. As you can see, with and without the drop shadow, the text definitely becomes stronger. It's a more apparent sort of contrast, and can certainly help to have your text stand out that little bit more. Hope this video has been helpful, and as always, any questions are welcome in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.